जय नृसिंहदेव भगवान की जय।
जय हो नंद के लाला की जय, नरसिंह भगवान की जय।
हाँ, नंद के बाबा मूर्ति वाले
हाँ,
नृसिंह
नरसिंह
और बराहदेव जी की, और बीच में का बराहदेव सतभुजा महाप्रभु और गौर निताई,
गौर निताई, हरि
और पीछे वाले शालग्राम शिला नंद बाबा के शालग्राम शिला।
अच्छा वाह, जय हो जय हो नंद बाबा की शालीग्राम।
हाँ ठीक है।
ठीक, बहुत अच्छा।
पीछे नृसिंह कुंड पीछे।
पीछे देखने
थोड़ा देख ले।
खोल के देख ले।
हाँ
ना ना
खोलो खोलो,
ना ना
द्वार खोलो।
बोलना नहीं।
नहीं इधर आइए, नहीं खोलो देख ले।
बस क्या देखिए कुंड है।
हाँ पहले वाला नृसिंह कुंड उधर उधर,
हाँ,
नृसिंह मूर्ति अंदर।
अंदर से निकला,
हाँ
प्रकट हुआ।
हाँ हाँ
अच्छा
ठीक है।
ठीक है ठीक है, आइए
बंद करो। अगले यशोदा कुंड।
हाँ, अब परिक्रमा शुरू।
हाँ हाँ
अच्छा
इंग्लिश समझते? हाँ
थोड़ा थोड़ा
थोड़ा। अच्छा राधे 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 राधे।
आप दुकान ला के जाते रहना है। हाँ, कोई गाँव ऐसा नहीं है जहाँ पे बच्चे नहीं हैं।
राम राम जी चकाचक। राम राम जी, राम राम जी। राम राम जी चकाचक।
ये आई है, ये है।
राम जी।
राम राम जी, राम राम जी। हाँ 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 हाँ, ये नंद बाबा के गौशाला, पहले 9 लाख गया।
हाँ।
हाँ, पहले वाला 9 लाख कृष्ण जी। So today we have a guest from Ayodhya. Jai Shri Ram. So I'm showing them around Braj. We're going to different places. अम्मा जी कहाँ? अच्छा, ओके। क्या है? यशोदा कुंड। हाँ, यशोदा कुंड। हाँ बेला, बाद में, बाद में। ये यशोदा मैया स्नान का स्थान। हाँ, यश,
यशोदा मैया यहाँ स्नान करने आए।
हाँ, स्नान करने हैं, स्नान का स्थान यशोदा मैया। और ये यशोदा मैया और कृष्ण बलराम जी। आइए दर्शन करो।
भैया राधे श्याम।
राधे 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 राधे, राम राम जी का चकाचक। आइए आइए आइए, राम राम जी चकाचक। हाँ, यशोदा मैया और कृष्ण बलराम।
छोटे छोटे
प्रभु जी दर्शन, अतिथि अयोध्या वाले। हाँ, बोलो, कुछ बोलो। दर्शन करो प्रभु जी, खोलो खोलो, चोरा चोरा खोलो।
ना ना ऐसे हो गया।
यशोदा है कृष्ण बलराम या मान करावे लावे जब तक दूर केल मत जाओ बन हाउ हैं तो उधर हाउ पत्थर बन गए
हाउ बिलाव दोनों।
हाँ बिलाओ। और कुछ?
तो तुम वहाँ पढ़ावे ना जाओ,
हाँ
पढ़ावे जाओ।
हाँ हाँ,
हैं कब है स्कूल?
गुरुकुल।
पेपर चल रहा है, पेपर
पेपर पेपर पेपर
में नहीं बैठ।
आज एग्जाम।
एग्जाम
हाँ, तो
दर्शन करा।
हाँ दर्शन, ठीक है। आसमान आसमान,
पीछे से चल रहा है ना हाउ बिलाव इधर।
हाँ बाद में, आसमान पहले।
हाउ बिलाव इसी जंगल में।
हाँ हाँ बिलाओ।
हाउ बिलाव करके फिर वापस आएंगे इधर।
बाद में, बाद में।
हाउ बिलाव डरा देती थी यशोदा मैया उनको।
हाँ, पहले आसमान आसमान।
दोनों बच्चों को साथ में लेके आती थी यहाँ नहलाने
हाँ,
के लिए।
so we are here in Yashoda Kund.
बच्चे भागते नहीं
हाँ,
ससुरा के माता पिता।
this is the bathing place of Yashoda Maya.
हाउ बिलाव खा जाएंगे, हाउ बिलाव खा जाएंगे तो हाउ बिलाव जो थे
And that is the Yashoda temple. Huh? On the altar is the murti of Yashoda Maya and Krishna Balaram. So this is Yashoda Kund. Every morning Yashoda Maya would take bath here. And sometimes also she will bring Krishna Balaram here, and she will also bathe them. So I have 3 guests here from Ayodhya. Ram Lala ki Jai. Jai Shri Ram.
जय श्री राम।
Jai Shri Ram. Ram Ram ji chak chak. Okay.
ओके
How below?
हाँ,
Chapal.
चप्पल पहन के आओ,
हाँ
फिर उधर से निकल चलेंगे।
हाँ. How below? How below? So we are going to How Bilao. Monsters. So how Bilao, they are like monsters, no? Like urban legend, you know? Because the two brothers, Krishna and Balaram, they would always play here, and they will play the whole day. They won't even take breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So Yashoda Maya, she was worried that her sons, they always absorbed in playing. So one time she asked Rohini Mata to fetch Krishna and Balaram here. But Krishna and Balaram, they don't want to go. They don't want to return home. They just want to play and play and play. Then
आइए राम राम जी आइए।
Yashoda Maya, she was so angry. So she came here and she told Krishna and Balaram that if they won't go home, how Bilao will come and eat them. Then, Aram se. Then Krishna Balaram asked Yashoda Maya, who is How Bilao? Or who was How Bilao? Yashoda Maya told her sons that How Bilao is like a ferocious and fearsome monsters with big eyes and big foot. If you don't come immediately, they will eat you. So Yashoda Maya is trying to scare Krishna and Balaram. But Krishna and Balaram, they are just ignoring Yashoda Maya's description. Then suddenly, Yashoda Maya, her eyes became big, and she said to the brothers that, "Oh, How Bilao is coming to eat you!" Then Yashoda Maya ran away, and Krishna Balaram also, they ran away. They don't even dare to look back. So until they reach the house of Yashoda Maya. So this is to for the benefit of the pastime, they built like this statue of How Bilao, but it's already like dilapidated for thousands of years. So this is the place here in Yashoda Kund. So that is the story of How Bilao. And the moment they reached the house of Nanda Maharaj, they retold the story to their father, Nanda Baba. And they told Nanda Baba that a master is was coming to eat them. So Krishna and Balaram were convinced that there was really a How Bilao. So since then, every time they won't return home for their breakfast or lunch, Yashoda Maya would frighten them that How Bilao will come to eat them. So in this way, she managed to convince the two brothers to stop from playing, and so they won't skip. They won't skip taking their breakfast or lunch. So Radhe Radhe Ram Ram Ji. So that is the story of How Bilao. हाँ जी, हाँ, चकाचक चकाचक चकाचक, क्या कर रहे हो? हाँ
वीडियो से ही
हाँ
रहे हो दर्शन?
हाँ, दर्शन करेंगे। अतिथि है मेरा अतिथि।
मेरा?
हाँ, अयोध्या वाले।
अयोध्या का?
हाँ, चकाचक
चकाचक
चकाचक चकाचक। So that is the temple of Nanda Baba there, up in the hill, see? That is the palace of Nanda Baba. So now we are going to Charan Pahari. This is the Parikram Marg, or the road for Parikrama. Ram Ram Ji. Parikrama, Parikrama. Parikrama.
राम राम।
हाँ, Ram Ram Ji. So many
Sugar,
pigs. Soar.
Sugar.
Sukar. Wild pigs. Okay, so now we are on the way to Charan Pahari. Charan Pahari, Agle Charan Pahari. Sida. Parikramar Grasta. Ha ha. Punudas OTW. What is OTW? Ready to wear shirt, RTW. Huh? RTW, ready to wear shirt. Ready to wear, RTW. RMS, Excess, Sus, Hari Krishna, Rasarani, Pasaba, Prabhu. Anong pa? What is Pasaba? Pasaba, Prasad? Chakachak. Tike, Chakachak. Okay. It's very hot now here. So but I have to keep my hoodie so it won't burn me, huh? It's only like mid of March, but the sun is already like burning. So at the end of the March, there will be like around 40 to 50 degrees. Huh? OTW on the way. Oh, I thought RTW, like a shirt. On the way. Yes, on the way. OTW. Chakachak. Okay. Now we are going to Charan Pahari. The imprint of the foot, huh, of Krishna Ji. Mag-sunblock ka, Prabhu. Wala, there is no sunblock here. Only mud. Cholo bhai. ठीक है? Cholo bhai. So, parang this is like on the spot parikram, biglaan parikram. Biglang may dumating na guest. At ako yung pinansabak para i-guide sila dito sa ano, around Nandagaon. Namaste, bye. Kitsubala. Joe Hunter, ha? Jai ho. Joe Hunter, namaste. Cholo, Reniel, Carmona, cholo, bye. It's only past 10 here, but the sun is already like midday. Huh? It's already like 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock. अगले चरण पहाड़ी माता जी तुम पता है एक बार पहले 3 बार पहले इधर 3 बार कितना बार
हम
हाँ
दूसरी बार है, तीसरी बार
अच्छा बहुत बढ़िया
लेकिन बहुत टाइम हो जाता है।
अच्छा पहले बहुत टाइम पहले 4 साल अच्छा और 2 प्रभु जी पहली बार अच्छा मैं चाहिए अयोध्या
जाएंगे आप?
हाँ
ठीक है जाइएगा इनके साथ अयोध्या।
दर्शन राम लाला
हाँ महाराज जी शिमला दे रहे हैं।
राम जी चकाचक
नहीं ऐसा नहीं ऐसे लगता देखो बताएं जहाँ तक हमने रामायण जी का देखा है बहुत ज्यादा देखा, लेकिन जहाँ जो भोग भंडारा के लिए बनता है
Yes.
प्रधान मंदिर के लिए
Mainit.
सब लोग पाते हैं।
Sorba init. Jade karo. Jaldi karo. Acha. Yes. Jaldi karo.
जो जो बनता है वो शाम पहले सब पंचायती का, कुछ नेता वहाँ भी अलग प्राइवेट सेक्टर क्या तो उनका कार्यालय में
This is Braj. Huh? You see this small hut? Actually, that is the storage. This is like a storage room or house where they kept or keep the cow dung patties, no? They dry the cow dung, they sun dry the cow dung patties and keep it there. It's like a small hut. So whenever they need it, it is just they just going to get it inside that cow dung room or storage.
नहीं बिगाड़ा था किसी बड़े महाराज को, बड़े महाराज की करी आज बड़ी चल रही है।
So this is the typical village of Braj. So here in the village you will
बाबा ने
have the real feeling of Braj. So there you can see up in the hill is the palace of Nanda Baba. See, that is Krishna Baram Mandir up in the hill. Huh? Bike tayo dyan, Prabhuji. Okay, mag-rent ka ng bike. Okay, bumili ka. Mura lang ang bike dito. See, this is the cow dung patties. You know, when a cow or a buffalo, when they evacuate or shit in the street, immediately they will collect all the shit of or the cow shit and buffalo shit, and they will make it like a patties. See, then they will just let it dry. In this way, when it is fully dried, they will use it as a fuel, huh? So they don't need LPG gas or gasol. They just use this natural organic fuel, cow dung shit, you know, holy shit. That's why sometimes they call it holy shit, because this cow dung shit or buffalo shit, it's very useful economically. Huh? They can live and survive with this cow shit. So they just collect it every day and use it for cooking. Ram Ram ji.
राम राम जी
महाराज जी को कुछ बोलते नहीं। उनके महाराज यहाँ के सबकी संगत जा रहे, तब एक साथ नहीं करेंगे महाराज जी
So if you try to move away from the center, like most of us, when we come to Vrindavan, we just go to Vrindavan itself, like in Iskon Mandir or in Loy Bazaar. But that area is already like too crowded, and it's like become like a business area. So a lot of people are coming there, a lot of things going on, and okay. But here in the village, when you come to the village, you will have the real experience of Braj. You will smell, the field, the dust. You will feel the dust. So it's good if you visit Vrindavan, you should also try to come to the village area, because in Vrindavan it's already crowded and commercialized. Lots of establishments, buildings, subdivisions, and all these commercial areas. And noise pollution, but it's still good. But at least we should feel, no, the village. Should visit the village of Braj. In this way, you will have a real experience what is Braj. You will have the chance to taste Braja roti, huh? And the hospitality of the Brajavasis. You will experience their hospitality. So here we are in the remote place, see, of Braj. So peaceful. This is the cow grazing area of Krishna and Balaram. So all the cow grazing lila starts here. So Krishna and Balaram will go around here with their cows, 9 lakh cows. So this ground has been saturated, by the pastime of Gocharan Lila, of cow grazing Lila, of cow grazing pastime. Krishna and Balaram would always walk around here. So now we are approaching Charan Pahari. So this is where the footprint of Krishna, no, was imprinted or etched on a stone. So Krishna, he was playing his flute. Because of the sweetness of Krishna's flute playing, even the stone melted. So when on that stone where Krishna was stepping on it, his foot was imprinted, and he left the printed of this footprint on that stone, and that stone is still here. So devotees come here to have a darshan of Krishna's footprint. That is how sweet, no? The Ram Ramji. Ay, idar. That is how sweet the playing of Krishna's playing of his flute, that even the stone of Braj melts. Ram Ramji, Babaji, chakachak. So this is the Charan Pahari. अतिथि है अतिथि हाँ डंडा कोई बात नहीं हाँ ये कोई बात नहीं
सुनो
अच्छा ठीक है
ऐसे नहीं करना
हाँ भूमि गुस्सा. So this is the footprint. This is
Hare Krishna.
so if you will see Krishna. Yes. So as you could see, the footprint is like 1 feet is there, and the other one is like the toe of Krishna, because when he plays his flute, it's always like this. That's why there's only 1 foot and the other one is toe. That is, most of the footprints of Krishna here is like that, because every time he will play the flute, left foot will be on front, and he will bend the right foot at the back. That's why only the right toe was imprinted. So this is Charan Pahari. This is where the footprint of Krishna was imprinted on a stone. Huh? Charanganga Kund. Huh? So we have a small Goshala here. Amaji ka ha?